Hello again, welcome back to day 4 of building a canoe. I haven't posted this video in a couple days. I've still been working on it, but I've just been trying to figure out the information in the book. It was quite a long period of time, not very interesting to look at, so I didn't record any of that work. I was just trying to figure out what the next steps would be. So today what I'll be doing is the stencil, and I'll just go a brief explanation of what I did the last 2 days. So I hope you guys enjoy today, and on with it. This is the canoe I'm ultimately going for, and this is the numbers it's telling me for every station of the mold to make. So there's not really a verbatim this is that and how things are done, so I had to study it, learn it, and understand it since I've never done this before. But I basically figured out pretty much what this here means, and these numbers corresponds to point along a 2-inch grid, and this gives you half of a mold, which you take and you mirror to the opposite side to get one full mold. So that's it for the mold of each station. So it'll go from station 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on each one. So now I'll have to take these, use a carbon paper underneath, and retrace this to imprint the mold onto a plywood 3/8 thick. So that'll be next time. And I also have to make the stem mold. So to clarify, this is the station mold, and that will be the stem mold.